Namaste and welcome to Learn Hindi with Reenu. We are here in the series 10 minutes conversational Hindi through English series. And in this series, in this continuity, this is our lesson 10. This is very important lesson. Usually people are confused about his, her. Like in Hindi, while to say uska, iska, iski or uska, how to say, when to say. So this is a confusing topic, but I am making it very easy for you through the explanation. So just watch this and just try to make few your sentence again. Okay, so let's start. His, her. In English there is variation, like his is used for masculine, her is used for feminine, but in Hindi there is not that variation. His, her can be used for like uska, like they will be for her. Her means like we use in English for feminine, but in Hindi the meaning can be like this. His meaning also can be like uska, her means also uska. When we will use this meaning uska, when person is far and the gender of the noun we are talking about is masculine. Okay, when the person is far and the gender of the noun we are talking about, the person, which the thing person is possessing. Okay, the thing, the noun, whatever the person is possessing, the gender of that noun is masculine. Okay, so when we will use uska, when it is far and the noun we are talking about is masculine. Okay, so we will say uska. And uske will be for plural masculine, plural masculine. So uska, uske, about far, and when the gender of the noun is masculine. Okay, uska singular, uske plural. Now again his, her means also uski, uski. This is when the person is far obviously, and the gender of the noun is feminine. So this is the case for feminine, and this will be same uski either for singular or plural. Okay, for singular or for plural it will be same uski. So uska, uske for masculine, uski for feminine, when the person is far. Okay, now we will talk about near. Again his, her also means iska, iska. So e, I, e. So this is when the person is near. Okay, iska, person is near, and the gender of the noun we are talking about is masculine. Iske will be for plural. So iska and iske about far. Okay, masculine. Then his, her again can be iski, iski for feminine, near for feminine, either singular or plural. So iski will be for feminine, either singular or plural, when the person is near. Okay, so by default what we will use when you don't know the person is near or far? So how will you say? By default we will use uska, uske, uski. Okay, by default we will use uska, uske, uski according to the genders. Okay, and for particularly for far is uska, uske and uski, and particularly for near is iska, iske and iski according to the gender. Now if you are feeling like confusing, just see some example so you can understand it better. So it can be, the sentence can be her purse is red, her purse is red. Okay, and the sentence can be his purse is red. Now we are supposing the person is far, we are supposing it, we don't know. Okay, we are supposing the person is far. So and purse, so in possessive pronoun you always know, earlier we discussed my, and we discussed your also. So you know, like in possessive pronoun the gender of the noun, uh, will change the thing. Okay, like purse. Purse here is masculine gender, like my name. So name is masculine gender. We will not see my I am a girl or a boy, but we will say see name. So in this possessive pronoun also, we will not see the gender of the person, we will see the gender of the thing that he or she is possessing. Okay, so in possessive pronoun we see the gender of the possessing thing or noun. So we will see the gender of purse here, and purse we include it in Hindi in the category of masculine gender. Okay, so because this is masculine, so I will say uska. What? Uska. Okay, why I am saying uska? Because purse is masculine and singular, so I will say uska. Uska purse lal hai. Her purse is red, and it can be his purse it is red. It doesn't matter the purse, whose purse is this, but matter the purse, the gender of purse. Okay, so uska purse lal hai. His her purse is red. When the person is near, we are supposing it the person is near, so I will say again purse is masculine, and for near we will use iska. Okay, iska for masculine singular. So iska purse lal hai. Iska purse lal hai. Iska is his her, purse is purse, lal is red, hai is. Okay, iska purse lal hai. I think you got the point now. For far uska uske uski, and for near iska iske iski. Okay, and we will see the gender of the thing we are possessing. So the gender of purse is masculine in both the case, and it is far, so we will say uska masculine singular, iska masculine plural about near. The note is here, the gender of the purse is masculine, so we are saying uska or iska purse, not uski or iski, because masculine. Okay, uski iski we will discuss further now. So the next example is his her book is interesting. Interesting means mazedar, something have interest, we can have we can find interest, so that is mazedar. And book means kitab or pustak, kitab or pustak. So kitab we include it in the category of feminine gender, feminine. Okay, so because this is feminine and singular, so we will use uski for far, and by default also we will use uski. Okay, for feminine what we will use? Uski. Uski either singular or plural. Uski for far. Uski kitab mazedar hai. Then again his her book is interesting. It can be his, it can be her, it depends. And now the person is near, so I will say iski. Iski kitab mazedar hai. Okay, so here the gender of book is feminine, so we are saying uski or iski kitab, not uska or iska kitab, because kitab is feminine. I hope now you got that in possessive pronoun always the gender of the noun which we are possessing matters, not the gender of the person. Okay, so everything will depend on this noun. So uski kitab for far and iski kitab for near, either singular or plural. And for masculine we saw purse is masculine, so we'll say uska or iska. And if it is plural, so we'll say uske or iske. Uske or iske. Now I have some work for you. You must try to make sentence using this. I just put here his work. So you can say his work is hard, his work is very nice. So like these you can make the sentence. Her work is very good, her work is very hard. Like that, his brother is very tall, his brother is a nice boy, and his sister is very beautiful, his sister is Neha. So these kind of sentence you can make by your own, and then you can write in the comment box. I will check, and if there will be any correction I'll let you know. After watching this video, if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box. I'll try to answer that. Okay, and watch it again and again, at least 2 times, so that you can understand it better. So if you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon. Link is given in the description box. So support my work in on Patreon, and you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you didn't subscribe the channel, just subscribe it, share it with the minded people, and don't forget to like. So बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, फिर मिलेंगे, नमस्ते.